Hey, Sandy. Oh, I love you, doggy. Yeah, a couple more stops and then you'll be home. Take you for a walk.
Taxi, taxi!
Come on in. Oh, what have I gotten myself into?
Is my seatbelt buckled?
Yes, sir.
Now, I was once... Do you have an animal? I hear something.
Yeah, I got a dog right here, ma'am. Stay back there. Now, where do you
No,
want to
I
go?
wanted a seeing-eye dog.
Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Where did you want to
I want to
go?
go to the, senior center.
Yeah, you belong there.
Wait, on that block, right over there.
Okay. Here we go. It's alright, Sally. It's alright. We're just going in one block and then 2 blocks and then 3 blocks.
And as you can see, you obviously don't pet a dog while you're driving.
Even the chihuahuas.
They can be hazardous too. See you next time on
What not to do while driving.